Woo! Just got back from my jog, and now it's time to go through my fridge. Okay, what do we have here? Expired and 1832. That's fine. I should be good for another month or so. Let's see. Okay, it's just cheese. I don't even remember buying this. Expired in 2008? I mean, it looks the same color. So, I'm sure it's fine for another year or two. Let's see. What in the hell is this? Oh my... What is this? Oh, it looks like chump. Oh my goodness. That's horrendous. But I'd be too sad to see it go. So, you get to stay in here? Okay. Let's see. What is this? Oh my...